Hi guys, my name is Eric. I'm going to be trying killer noodles from Tsujita Group. Let's here we go. It looks like we got the chili oil, ground pork. We got the noodles over here. Got the cashews and the pickles. And we got the soup base. All right, so it looks like I just need to put the soup base and warm it up here for about 2 minutes, and then I need to get the noodles warmed up as well too, so. All right, so the noodles look like they're finished. It's been about 2 minutes, and then I'm just gonna drain the noodles. There we go. All right, it looks like the soup base is warmed up. I also put in the ground pork just to warm it up a little bit. Okay, and let me go grab some scissors. And it just says to open it up and just pour the soup packet in, so. All right. Oh, that was good. Okay, and then I can probably just eat this right now. And then we got the sansho, we got the chili oil. All right, so this is what it looks like. It looks just like restaurant quality ramen. So, ready to eat it. All right, so this is just only after 2 minutes, so I'm pretty excited. Let me try. This is really good. These are killer noodles.
Spicy?
Yeah, it's got a little bit of good spices in it and everything. A little kick, I love it. This is actually like restaurant quality. I would pay a lot more than what I got for this, so. This is really good. If you want to try this ramen, then definitely go to bestramenla.com, and then you can use my coupon code EricD10 and then try it for yourself, because I definitely loved it.